So you've probably already heard about how the hundreds of data centers in Virginia are putting more pressure on the state's energy grid and jacking up utility bills for locals. But did you know that these data centers are also making people sick? That's because they're often run by gas generators, which burn fossil fuels that push hazardous chemicals and pollutants into the air and into local communities. Over time, exposure to pollution related to data centers can exacerbate asthma and cause lung infections, heart attacks, strokes, diabetes, and even cancer. Based on the Environmental Protection Agency's modeling tool, the cost of these emissions on public health in Virginia is estimated at approximately $200 million, with impacts extending to neighboring states and reaching as far as Florida. And it's expected to only get worse as the Trump administration and Republican lawmakers like Governor Glenn Youngkin work on ways to increase AI development in the Commonwealth and across the US. But in Virginia, folks like Julie Kimmel, a local mom from Fairfax County, have been speaking out about how air pollution impacts their families and neighbors. Julie even joined a group called the Moms Clean Air Force, which already has more than 55,000 members in the Commonwealth and 1.6 million across the country. Let's hear what she has to say.
Virginia's energy demand was flat from 2004 to 2020, but started to rise that year because of data center build-out and is expected to double by 2034. Data centers are essential to our modern economy, but building and operating them should not cost us our health or our future. So we need to start showing up at community listening sessions and council meetings. We need to ask hard questions about new data center projects.
Julie isn't just talking about the problems with data center pollution. She's committed to holding lawmakers accountable for finding solutions. If you want to read more about Julie's recent visit with lawmakers in Washington, D.C., check out this story I wrote. And for more stories of Virginians fighting for their local communities, make sure you're following Dogwood.